Hey folks, today on Learning the Keto Way, we're going to be talking about chicharrones. Hi folks, I'm Ray.
I'm Tracy.
And you are watching Learning the Keto Way with Ray and Tracy. And before we get going here, what I want you to do is hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, click that little bell, and later on we'll be talking about commenting. But today I wanted to talk about chicharrones, aka pork skins. These things are great for a keto diet because a lot of times people have that crunchy craving that they're going through, and so they want potato chips or they want that salt craving. Or chicharrones are a great way to help with that craving, but there's just so many more things that you can do with chicharrones.
And who doesn't love bacon?
Yeah, who doesn't love bacon? This version is called Max, and I know that in my carb, I use the program Carb Manager for my app to track my macros and everything. And all of Max chicharrones or pork skins are already logged into that. I'm not sure about my fitness.
I just put in pork rinds, which is the same thing anyway.
Yeah.
There's zero carbs, no matter which way you're eating them. So.
But they're a great source for protein and a little bit of fat too. So if you're low on your proteins or something, what you can do is eat these. Just the other day, I did a trick with them, or I wouldn't. Here's a cooking tip: is that. The other day we were going to have chicken and everything, and I was thinking what a great idea to put and crush up these pork skins and make kind of like a crispy, crunchy outer skin for the chicken, and it turned out great. Now I did just use the standard pork skin, the normal original flavor, but I was thinking what a great idea if I would run these through my food processor and use these as the flavoring for the chicken. Wouldn't that be outrageous? And it was. The chicken was super great. I cooked it, of course, in bacon grease, but it was super crunchy, very flavorful.
Tons of flavor.
And very juicy. Some just great crunch, too. It was truly like biting into some very good fried chicken. What I did was I just did a light egg wash on the chicken first, and then, dumped it into the pork skins.
Provides the crunch, the taste, and zero carbs.
Yeah, zero carbs, great protein, great taste, but they make other flavors too, like lime,
salt and vinegar,
all these different flavors of pork skins. So why not try, adding these to, for example, hamburger meat? That'll give some hamburger, or even, kind of trounce the hamburger and coat the hamburger in this, or add it to your hamburger. Make kind of like, patties with this already built in. Just there's so many things that you can do with pork rinds. And again, just a snack in and of itself, it is a great keto snack. Totally keto friendly. Again, Max has a lot of flavor. Now I want to say I am not being paid or endorsed by Max or anything like that. This is just what they sell here in our area, and I love them. These things rock, man. And what's interesting, I really have no cravings for potato chips or anything, because these are in the same aisle that potato chips was, and I was looking around at the potato chips and they really didn't.
Just nothing there.
They didn't appeal to me. Nothing. These just totally rock. These are a great snack, a great protein boost, and also a great cooking ingredient for coating stuff or adding crunch or something to your foods. Do me a favor, folks, hit that red subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, click on the bell, and you know what? Tell me about your favorite chicharrone or pork skin recipe, or how you like using pork skins, or have you even tried pork skins at all? But again, comment below. So I just want to thank you so much. My name's Ray.
I'm Tracy. Join us on Facebook, Patreon, Pinterest, and Twitter, and we'll provide the links in the bottom.
So we'll see you later, and again, subscribe, thumbs up, click the bell, and comment. We'll see you later. Keto on.